Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Samsung port wouldn't turn on and has a black screen. Let's get started. Here are some fixes you need to try. The first one is to charge your phone. Connect your phone to the original charger and plug it into a working outlet. Allow it to charge for at least 10 minutes. Check if the charging indicator appears on the screen. If no indicator, try different Samsung approved charger and cable. The next is to perform a soft reset. Press and hold the power and volume down button simultaneously for 15 to 20 seconds. Release the button when the Samsung logo appears. Repeat this step if the device remains unresponsive. The next is to boot into the safe mode. To do so, press and hold the power button until the Samsung logo appears. Immediately press and hold the volume down button until the device restarts. Safe mode will appear in the bottom left corner of the screen. If the screen works in safe mode, uninstall any recently installed apps. The next is to wipe cache partition. To do so, turn off your phone, press and hold the volume up, power, and home Bixby button simultaneously. Release the button when the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume button to navigate to wipe cache partition and select it with the power button. After the process completes, select Reboot System Now. The next is to inspect for physical or liquid damage. To do so, look for cracks, swelling, or other physical damage on the device. Inspect the charging port and other areas for sign of corrosion or liquid exposure. If liquid damage is suspected, avoid charging the device and seek professional help. The next is to seek professional assistance. If none of the above solutions works, you need to visit Samsung Authorized Service Center for repair. Provide details about the troubleshooting steps you have already tried. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.